commanders nama-commissars and nonke ama-ground forces nama-TikTok nama-TikToker aka-MK nonke nje bafowethu ngothilweni. Wabafowethu khona ivideo la engike ngayenza before and I said i-Eastern Cape iyeza. Yabo, I said i-Eastern Cape ngiyayibona iyeza. Yabona bafowethu ngizonitshela and lokhu ngikusho ngoba ngiyakubuka kuyeza kancane kancane kuyanyelela. The reason why bengikhuluma nge-Eastern Cape, I know for sure ukuthi there's most Xhosa people, they come from Eastern Cape. Western Cape, yes, I know ukuthi khona sebezinze khona sebehlala khona, yabo, and baningi nakhona. But I know ukuthi most yabo they come from Eastern Cape. Just like nathi, you'll find out ukuthi there is KZN, and then enye i-province oyithola inamaZulu kakhulu is Gauteng, where we understand nje iGoli engithi eGauteng eGoli kakhulukazi, yabo, because it's populated kakhulu lapho. So ke ngeke ngayisho lento ukuthi Eastern Cape yes, and yabona the day la kuzodinwa khona uXhosa wadinwa wathi sidikiwe yi-ANC chayile buka. I'm telling you, uyabona kwadinwa amaXhosa athi sidikiwe yile ANC. Hey, ngiyakutshela, it's kaput, because you best believe ukuthi two of the provinces about dominator, which is Eastern and Western Cape. Hey, uyazi ngitshela, kuyobe kushoda lapho kuphela, yabo, njengoba i-ANC mina bengizozama uku-acta professional in everything I do. But yabona once welentuza amaXhosa ke in most cases don't fuck with amaXhosa when elentuzeni kumaphakethe wawo. Ayikho phela amaXhosa, ayikho into abayithanda kakhulu kaXhosa njengemali. Hey but yabona njengoba ubusy unyusana namavet basopa lapha province ungawaluza wo2, and le oyibone yenzeka izolo ngalo ward 1 waselentuzeni waseSaldanha Bay, isign, a clear sign ukuthi your support is now deficient. You have reached your call limit. Please recharge your account. Obafethu ngiyanitshena, uyabona the day la okulentuza okucikeka khona uXhosa, wathi uXhosa ndidikiwe yile ANC kaloku khohlwana, because that will mean two of the most influential tribes in South Africa, two amakhulu, ngisho ukuthi influential mhlambe, well that name mhlambe ngilmisusile, but two of the most dominant tribes, angisho kanjalo, in numbers by the way, because uXhosa namaZulu iwona amaningi kakhulu elentuzeni eSouth Africa. Bathi bakhathele abakaXhosa because certain portion of amaZulu isikhombisile amaXhosa atakhathele. Hey, I wave ubhabhayi, wave nje uthi bye bye. Yavotwa kaXhosa kudlala. Sidikiwe kaloku bafika. Ngiyanibona Eastern Cape, namanje ngisanitshena niyeza. Lo ndinwa nje kancane. Ngifuna ukukubona it's when senidinwe kakhulu sekuvele kuba green yonke into. Siyanthanda lapha Eastern Cape neWestern Cape. And again, siyabonga kakhulu eSaldanha Bay bafowethu. Siyanthanda. Biko, muhle umsebenzi wakho bafo.